Hello and welcome to the Food Lab, where we try it before you buy it to save your diet. And tonight we have a very, very special episode. It's our very first generic versus real thing throwdown. Today we have Pocky versus generic 7-Eleven Pocky. Now, first of all, let's talk cost savings here. This was 150 yen. This was a mere 100 yen. This is 60 grams. This is... I don't exactly know how many grams. It's not marked. I'm guessing this is more. You may not know, but 7-Eleven has been owned by a Japanese company called iHolding since the early 90s. There are actually a lot of convenience stores in Japan. One of them that you see a lot of is 7-Eleven. Unfortunately, no, they do not have Big Gulps or Slurpees. It's very disappointing, I know. We're going to start with the real thing, because there ain't nothing like the real thing, baby. Those of you who aren't familiar with Pocky, it's basically a pretzel stick sort of thing with chocolate coating on it. They also have a bunch of different flavors in various forms. It's like just about any flavor you can imagine they have. Even men's. I don't know what that is, but I think it's like dark chocolate. But this is your standard Pocky there. It's I don't know, like 6 inches long, something like that. Got your chocolate, got your pretzel thing, you can hold it, not get your gloves dirty or your hands. Now, take a look at the, this wasn't particularly well thought out, take a look at the 7-Eleven stuff. They're shorter, they're noticeably shorter than the real stuff. They're thicker, and they're also a lot darker in color, as you might be able to see there. So hey, give it a try. Got a nice, it's sort of a semi-sweet, bittersweet chocolate. It's not milk chocolate. It's a little bit on the like eat chocolate chip side. And I got the nice pretzel crunch going on there. Over the 7-Eleven, it's a lot thicker, a lot harder to bite into. Taste-wise, it's very similar. It's maybe not as bitter. It smells about the same, I would say. You can just see how much darker that is. It's a lot chunkier, a lot harder to bite. You have to kind of snap it. Overall, though, I would say they're pretty close. If it weren't for the textural differences and the color difference and the size difference, so I guess there are quite a few differences, but taste-wise, they're pretty equal. The only real problem is just the harder, thicker nature of the 7-Eleven Pocky. So, I think if you want some cheap Pocky and you're in Japan, I think you can definitely go for the 7-Eleven brand stuff. Save yourself 50 yen, which the current exchange rate is about 75 cents, so money saving tip for you. So until next time, when comparing generic to name brand foods, always be sure to wear these safety glasses.